Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing a Bluetooth speaker, and I already have a previous version of this speaker. This is the upgraded version. So let's unbox it, take a look at it, see what it looks like. Let that open right there. Get that out of here, don't need that. Right here it is. Get the box here. This is the EWA. This is the A107. Is what this version is right here. It's in ski, and you can see some of the specs back here. That's everything about this little box. Now let's get this bad boy open. Get out of here. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Wait a minute. Looks like some of the paint rubbed off on here. That's not good. All right. The speaker itself, and this little foam protective area, I guess you could call that. Let's see what's in the bottom here before we look at the speaker. Just the cable here, the USB cable for charging. I don't know what this is. I guess this is this is the manual. Little manual. Interesting design. Okay. Then we have this here. This is email and other stupid stuff. It doesn't matter. Hey you guys. Frowny, smiley face, whatever. Now, on to this bad boy. This is the gray edition. They have a silver, and I believe they have a black model also. But this is the gray version I have right here. And you can see the EWA printed on the top here, where the speaker is. And the reason I got this model is because this is an upgrade from the previous model. And the previous model, I'll show you guys real quick. This is the previous model. This is the A106. I want you guys to see here. It has the power button right here. And the micro USB slot for charging. And that's it. There's nothing else on this model. But it's a very portable speaker. You know how small it is. Okay? But, put this over here, this one is the upgraded version, and you guys can see it has a micro USB slot right here. You can put your your micro SD cards right here without having to pair it to your phone. If you want to just get your memory card and put it in here, start playing your music, then you have the charging port here, and you have the power switch here. So this is the main difference, is the micro SD card slot, and it's just a little bit taller. You guys can see. You put it next to this one, you can see it's just a little bit taller. Let me get it closer so you guys can see up close. Put it in my hand here. You guys can see, look at that. Just a little bit taller. So I'm guessing this could give it more bass and more volume compared to this one. So we'll find out. Got a little memory card here. I'm gonna put in here and see. I have some YouTube approved, I wouldn't call them songs, but like beats or whatever, because I don't want to get any strikes on my video. So I'll play the little YouTube approved beats. You guys can hear it. Pretty loud. Oh, it has nice bass when you put it down on a surface area. The bass increases, like, it's amazing. You guys would have to actually have it to actually feel the bass, but it has real good bass coming out of it. Once you put it down on a surface area, table, wherever you want to put it, it's amazing. And if you guys can see, all I do is push the switch forward to change the songs I want to play. You can see the way it's designed. You just forward to skip songs. Like that. And you press it to turn it on or off. I think that's pretty good for a speaker that size. That is great. You guys, I don't know if anybody gets a speaker this size and wants more out of it. That's just crazy. This is a great. The bass is amazing. It has over 8 hours of playtime. It's a very good little speaker, and this is a solid metal case. This is not plastic. This is all metal. The whole speaker is metal. The only thing was that some of this paint came off. So that's the only negative I have about that. That was very strange. But overall, it's a good speaker. Okay. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope it was helpful, informative, and it helps you in the future. And to others asking why you didn't use this one is not that powerful, and it's restricted. When I use Bluetooth on my phone, the volume is restricted on it, so I'm not gonna have it playing with this one. Basically, it will be useless. But I have a video already made about this one, so if you want to know about how high the volume is, you can watch that video. It's already up on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.